Hello everyone. I just wanted to share these two videos. So the first one, I found them really interesting. But the first one, I had woke up, I believe it was yesterday, and as soon as I looked out the window, there were nothing but birds on my yard. So many birds. I just could not believe it. And they were like blue with a little bit of red on them, but they looked black at a distance. But anyways, as soon as I saw them, I asked my husband to go and to look out the window. And when he did, he said, "I don't see any birds." So I ran out and they were all gone. I could not believe it, but they just kept going down the street. And so anyways, that's what the first video is about. The second video, it was a few nights ago. It was super light out, even though it was past 9 o'clock, like around 9:30, and there was a light on the horizon still, as if the sun had just set. And it just felt so strange. And on one side, it was like a reddish tone to it. So anyways, I thought I'd share. I thought it was interesting. I know people are saying they've been seeing some things in nature. The bird one really stuck out to me, but let me know what you think. Hold on.
I wonder what's outside for.
I have no idea.
Is there a storm?
I don't know, but they just look black. They just look like a little blanket. They're all in the trees. You can't even tell. I'm gonna wait until they fly away because I'm sure they're gonna do that again. There we go.
Oh, snap.
Oh. They're all in the trees. Oh. Do you hear them when they start flying?
This though is the one they just like rolled on the window.
Yeah. They look like they're falling from the trees. I'm gonna wait one more time. That was so cool. Bye-bye.